Here is a step-by-step guide to applying for an LPA.
Step 1. Complete the LPA application form at the OPG online portal. Simply log in using your SingPass and follow the step-by-step process. Here's what you need to decide and prepare to enter into the system. Donee. Decide who will be your donee to decide on your personal welfare and financial affairs. You can choose to have a single donee or more than one donee. If you choose to have more than one donee, you need to indicate how they will make decisions. Jointly, meaning every decision they will make on your behalf should be agreed upon by both, and it has to be decided together, jointly and severally. This means your donees can decide together, or either of them can make the decision. You can also set a replacement donee in case the primary donee is unable to fulfill the duties. Personal particulars of donee. Prepare your donee's name, NRIC, and email address to enter in the system. Step 2. Make sure your donees accept their appointment. Once you submit your LPA application, your donees will receive notification through SingPass to log into OPG to accept their appointment. Step 3. Visit a certificate issuer. A certificate issuer can be accredited medical practitioners, practicing lawyers, or registered psychiatrists. Once the LPA is certified, it will be submitted directly to OPG for registration. You will be notified via SMS or email once the digital LPA is registered and accepted. For more information on lasting power of attorney, visit the OPG website.
This message is brought to you by Institute for Financial Literacy, a collaboration between Money Sense and Singapore Polytechnic International.